Hey guys, I just wanted to come on and get you guys a video on Envy Chloe. I owe an update video on her, and I'm about to go out with my husband and get a little date night action in, and so I thought what a good time to wear Chloe and to showcase her a little bit, since I don't wear her very often and I was gonna get a little dolled up and I thought she could be good date night hair. So I am wearing Envy Chloe right now in the color medium brown, and I love this color so much. If you are a brunette who wears medium to dark brown, I think you should really take a look at Medium Brown by Envy. It's a dynamic color. The name is so boring and the color is not boring at all. It's this dynamic brown with multiple shades of brown running through it. It's got like kind of a golden brown look to it, but it's super, super well blended. And so it doesn't look highlighted. It doesn't look like you went and got a bunch of really light highlights. It's just very well blended. And so it's understated, but dynamic. It's really hard to describe, and I love it. So that's what I have on right now. And I have messed her up a little bit. I took a little of the Jon Renau Peace Out Cream, and I just took a little in my hands, and I just sort of went like this. And I did take a little bit of hairspray. And so she is kind of the tousled, messy look on purpose. She can also look fairly flat and not overly poofy. And so, you know, I will probably do other videos on her just to really show her different personalities. The hairspray I used, which I really like, and it's not a synthetic, like a wig hairspray. It's just Pantene, and it's their air spray, alcohol free. I learned about this from another wig sister, and she swore by it. And then I saw a couple of other people who used it. So I've tried it and I like it. So just a tip for you guys. So anyway, so this is Chloe. Let me turn around for you. Try not to shake my head too much because I have kind of a lot of lipstick on and she'll get stuck in my lipstick. So Chloe is super comfortable. She has a lace front, a mono part. I can't take her off for you because she's adhered now. The lace front is really good. Really, really, really good. There's a little bit of knotting, but it's really fine little knots. And so I wear her like this a little bit so you could see it a little, and I'm not worried about it. It's really hard to get a brunette wig where you can't see the knots at all. I have taken a steamer to her and sort of steamed this up a little bit. And I also steamed this a little bit so that it would be a little more kind of lifted, because otherwise it was pretty flat here, which if that's what you like, then you won't need to do that. Taz, I watched a video by Taz where she did that with some of her wigs that didn't really have permatease, and to help them give a little lift. Chloe has a little bit of permatease. I can feel it right in here and right in here a little bit. It's not overly done. It's not poofy. I had Mila by Jon Renau, and she was very, very poofy, very poofy. She was a full mono top, so that wasn't permatease that made her poofy. It was just the hair, and this isn't that way. I like to think about this one as being Mila light. She doesn't have the curls that Mila had, and I so wish she did, but the length is similar. The only thing that I don't love about this wig is the bluntness of the back. Let's look at it again. Do you see how blunt that is? It's like a blunt, and then it swoops under. It's a kind of curves under. I wish it had a few more layers in the back. Other than that, I really think this is a pretty wig. I don't wear her very much because I tend to wear shorter wigs. I wear shorter wigs to work. And so I just never put her on. But whenever I have put her on, I've loved her. So I'm going to go because my husband's waiting for me. But this is Chloe by Envy in the color medium brown. And I give her a thumbs up. And I recommend her. I really do. And so if you have questions, let me know. And I can leave a longer review at some point that talks about how this cap fits me. I think Envy caps run on the smaller side. Not small like Ellen Villa, but smaller. I'm an average circumference, and I am a very, very petite this way and this way. and envy caps fit me. This cap fits me pretty well. I have an envy hand-tied Kimberly that's a disaster, but this envy fits me really well. My envy Bianca fits me really well, so I really like these. So anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll update you at another time with something a little bit more extensive. Take care.